What's good, you guys? R&R Motorsports back at you guys with another one. So we just bought the MHD super license for this car. I believe it was like $545 right now with the euro conversion rate. But yeah, so basically what we're gonna do, since this car is bone stock and it's on a stock charge pipe right now that's holding on for dear life, we're basically gonna flash stage 0 on the car for you guys. But we'll put some burbles for you guys. I'll go through and I'll show you the burble settings when I'm flash tuning the car. But yeah, basically I'm gonna show you guys today what the difference is between stock and then stage 0 burbles with stock downpipe, stock cats. Well, stock downpipe and stock cats are the same thing, but stock downpipe, all the factory resonators are there, and the exhaust is an M Performance exhaust, so it does have an exhaust flap. So when the car is in sport mode, the exhaust flap will be open, FYI. So once the car is done warming up here, we'll go ahead and get some sound clips for you guys completely stock. We'll do one in comfort, we'll do one in sport plus, and then we'll do the same thing once the stage 0 tune is applied. And for you guys wondering what stage 0 is, stage 0 keeps the stock 8 pounds of boost, but just dumps a little bit more fuel so you guys get the pops. So yeah, let's get into this one. Look how clean this Astora blue paint is, guys. Shit's amazing. Honestly, I've never had a BMW with like factory paint that I like this much. As you guys can see, the 5% are looking good. Got it done in the last video, so you guys will see the 5% tint video. If you guys didn't see the 5% video, it'll be the one before this one, so I'll make a playlist for the F30 on my channel. But yeah, it's the video before this one. So if you guys want to see this car getting tinted, I got the video for you guys before this one.
Robots, bombs that smell like French fries. We'll use it to boost business at the Krusty Krab. A flavorful new sandwich topping, a savory new milkshake, and a lovely new scent from the restrooms. Oh no, we're not.
Alright guys, so right now the car just finished warming up. I'm gonna give you guys a couple of revs in sport mode. Keep in mind the car is 100% bone stock. So these are all the options I did for you guys. I did stock downpipes, remove top speed limiter, increase the power displays in the what's it called when you put sport displays on your car. I did the M2 overrun brap to long, and then I turned on exhaust burble. In base, I'll put the burble to 0.3 seconds so it doesn't burble that much. And then in sport mode, I'll burble for 2 seconds. Aggressiveness on soft. Minimum RPM 2600, max 6K. And then yeah, we'll do startup roar as well. Everything else is OEM. So let's go back and flash it. Map right. Let's go. And we'll get back in with you guys when it's done, but it's communicating with the DME. See how long it gives us. Look how fast it goes, guys, with the MHD adapter. That's why I recommend everybody go wireless, because it's a lot faster than when you use the Ethernet cable. Look at that. Look how fast it is. We did the long right first because my dumbass clicked the button by accident. So that's why I'm doing the option second. I did the long right first and the, what's it called? I guess the short right, you guys could say. So coding success. Now it's going to clear out all the codes because it does throw pretty much every single code in the book at your car. But yeah, it's going to clear it out. It said success. Now we're going to wait 30 seconds, turn on the car, and we'll get some sound clips for you guys. Alright guys, so we just flashed the car. This is what the Burbles sound like in comfort mode. And the Burbles are on soft. One more. Alright guys, and now this is in sport mode. One more. As you guys can hear, it does sound a lot more deeper and throatier. So yeah, that's no extra power, just some burbles. So the first part of this clip got corrupted, but basically what I was saying is the burbles weren't loud enough for my girl, so we ended up turning up the aggressiveness to medium. So this is a bone stock car with just medium MHD burbles, stage 0. Medium, and it sounds crazy. So my girl's gonna rev it for you guys here in a second. Rev it. What the fuck? This is a bone stock car, by the way. What the fuck? Yo, that shit sounds crazy. God damn. Bone stock N55, by the way. It's absolutely crazy. Alright guys, so you can make your F30 sound crazy. Literally just a stage 0 MHD tune and no other mods. As you guys saw in the video, it literally sounds like the car has an aftermarket exhaust, and it's just with Burbles turned up. So with that being said, the next video on this car will probably be a POV drive of me driving it, just so you guys can get an impression of how this car drives completely bone stock before I tune it. And then once the car is tuned, we'll do a POV drive of stage 1 and stage 2, just so you guys can see the differences in boost. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm out. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Todas las menores como Leo me lo dan. Me paré pa' la nevera y todas las ropas sopitando. Amanecimos raspando y guayando fracatando. Mujeres me levantan el loco. Acá pelado, dos polvos de orinoco. Los tigres que andaban con ella no lo conozco. Le pedí 40 champañas y quedaron locos. Amanecieron todos en el apartamento mío. De chimo pa' la calle el tete usamos de mío. Un reguero de tigres atrevido. Que cuando se dan dos patrullas que donde quiera hacer un lío. Los cuartos también me quedaban segatán. Tirándolo para arriba pa' que baile cocotán.